Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Knowledge Tree. Today my topic is on advanced Python arithmetic operator interview questions. So arithmetic operators means it is very simple actually, but when we are the interviewer asked the questions, we may confused a little bit. So let me clarify on that and who are is preparing for the interview or if wants to refresh or else any experienced persons also. Please let's get started. What is the so explain the differences between and the floor division or floor division. So the what is the difference, that how does it behave with the negative numbers also. The floating point of it is performs a floating point division and returning a floating number result, even if the both the operands are integers. The next is the floor division operator. It is performs it takes gives the largest integer less than or equal to the division results. Let's see what is the example. That for positive numbers, if I give print of the 5 by 2, so the output will come 2.5 with the floating point. And the next is print of 5, the like a floor division. With this we call floor division. Actually the output will come 2.5 because it will come the which one is the largest and the approximate that number it will come, it will remove the float, the last integer number. And with the negative numbers, if you find that print of minus 5 by 2, the output is minus 2.5. So print of minus 5 slash like a floor division by 2, the output is minus 3 because the approximate of the 2.5 the number is 3, right? So minus 3 will come. So the rounded is the negative number. So the next question is, how does Python handle integer overflow with arithmetic operators, with arithmetic operations? So Python integers have arbitrary precision, which means that can grow as large as available memory allows. Unlike some other languages, Python does not have a fixed integer size, so it does not experience the integer overflow. We can call like import a sys module, and here we can check the sys.max size plus 1 is a variable is a this expression is assigned to big underscore num. Now I'm trying to displaying the big underscore num result. So the output is a number larger than this dot max size. Please guys try with in your IDE internet interactive prompt, Python interactive prompt, or PyCharm or VS Code. There are many IDEs we have, right? So please try with these examples, you can understand more. And the third question is, what are the roles for operator precedence in Python, and how can you override them? So let's see, we have the operators precedence many things, every operator we have the operands we have that. So in arithmetic operations, there is a order we should follow the when an operation or happening. So which operations are evaluated, and Python follows a specific precedence order from highest to lowest. So the first is the power, this is we can say exponential also, and the next is unary plus, unary minus, bitwise not, and the next is multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and the next is addition and subtraction, and bitwise shift operators, and bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, and comparison operators, equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, is not, in not in, and the logical and not logical, and logical are. To override the default precedence, use parentheses to group operations explicitly. So let's see the one example on this. So the result equal to 5 plus 2 into 3. So the output output is displayed 11. How it will come? So for example, in my our childhoods we can learn to Bodamas rule. The Bodamas rule means this is for our remembering, we can remember easily. Bodamas rule is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So there are, the brackets will come first, and the next is the division, and after that multiplication, addition, subtraction. If, please follow with this sequence, you can understand more how we'll get the output of 11. So the first is 5 plus 2 and into 3, right? So using the Bodomus rule, the first will come the multiplication, BODMS. So before the addition, what will come? Multiplication. So 2 into 3, 6. Sorry, yeah, the 5 plus 2 is a 7, right? So 2 into 3 is 6, so 6 plus 5 equal to 11. The output is 11. And the next is result equal to 5 plus 2 into 3. This 5 plus 2 I have given here in with using the parenthesis. The parenthesis, what will happen? Because in the Bodames rule, the rule is the starting is b, right? So b means brackets like parenthesis. So we should calculate with the parenthesis 5 plus 2. So answer is 7. 7 into 3. So output is the 21 displayed. And the fourth question is, write a Python function to evaluate a mathematical expression given as a string. Assume the expression can contain plus, minus, and multiplication, and the next is a slash, like a division also, and parenthesis also. You can use the Python evaluate function to evaluate a mathematical expression given as a string. However, eval function can be dangerous if you use with untrusted input. So in a production environment, it's better to use a proper parser library like AST or PyParsing. You can use with this. If you are not a trust, if you are like not a tester, trust users, so you can don't use the eval function. Otherwise, we can use the eval function. Let's see what is the example. How will operate this? So I have created the function here with the parameter of expression, and I'm using here try and exception handling. In the try method, what will happen? I have given try here and written eval of expression and accept. Suppose if I'll get the expression, accept this error, I'm exceptioning this error, string error. So now I'm trying to giving the expression, this parameter expression, and now I am declaring the values. The brackets 5 plus 2 into 3 minus 4 by 2. This expression I have given with double quotations, but it acts like acts as a string. So now when I am using the evaluate expression of expression, so that's this written into the eval function, what will happen? This expression, in the string what I have declared this value, the declare the value, it is starts with the brackets 5 plus 2, 7, and the next is the 5, 4 by 2 is the answer is 2, and the 7 into 3 minus 2. So now what will happen? 7 into 3, 21, 21 minus 2. So output it is the displayed 19.0. So this is the this is the example of eval function, how it will operation is happen. And the fifth question is, how do you perform complex numbers arithmetic in Python? Python has a built-in complex type for complex number arithmetic. You can create complex numbers using the complex real imaginary function, or by writing numbers in the form a plus bj. Let's see how will happen using the complex numbers. Suppose here we have the two types of the declarations we can give the complex. A equal to complex 2 comma 3, this is the one type we can declare for complex numbers, and b equal to 4 plus 5j. Now I'm trying to give the arithmetic operations print of a plus b and print of a minus b and print of a into b. So directly we can calculate a plus b means the 2 plus 4, a, the 2 4 plus 2, what is happen, 6, and the 3 plus 5j, so 8j. So we'll come the output is 6 plus 8j, and the next is a minus b. So now I'm calculating 2 minus 4, the answer is minus 2, and 3 minus, 3, here is the 5, right? 5 is the biggest number, so 3 minus 5, so what is the output, 2j, minus 2j. So minus 2 minus 2j is the output displayed, and the next is print of a into b. Now I am trying to calculating the first with the 2 into 4 plus 5, and the next is 3 into 4 and 3 into 5, like that we can calculate from here. And the j into j, it will j square will come how much, 1, right? Minus, right? How it will come, j square, please tell me. Is it j square, j into j, output is, let's guess what is the output here, j square in python. So that's the answer is minus 1. So one, the minus 1. So the output, out will come the minus 15, the last is the minus 15, and the next is the answer is minus 7 plus 22j, like that will come. And the same like that a by b also. This is the final output of the with the floating point we can calculate using the this complex method. And the sixth question is implement a Python function to compute the greatest common divisor of two numbers using the Euc- Euclidean. Euclidean is the one of the algorithm we can use the when we are want to use the modulus function or any swap cases, we can use that one. Next, diff, they have created here with the dcd function and a comma b while b. So if suppose b is true, then a comma b equal to b comma a models b. So the written will answer will come with the a value. So what is the a by b values, the print of gc of 48 comma 18, these are the ABB values. Now it's modulus. We are giving the modulus numbers. Our written value is A. So we try to get into the 48. 48 modulus 18. So the answer is 6. So because normally it's a modulus value, it is the 12. So the 48 modulus 18, answer is modulus, answer is 12. So b value is here 18. So 18 comma 12 is the a comma b actually. So the return of the a value how much, 6. So that is the output of the 6. And the next is, what is the difference between is and equal to operator? Provide an example when they produce the different results. The equal operator checks for value equity, meaning it checks if the value of two objects are equal. The operator checks for, like is operator checks for identity, meaning if the two reference points to be the same object in a memory. For example, a equal to 1 2 3 list have created, and the b equal to 1 2 3 is the list created. Now I am giving assigning the c equal to a. So let me check print of a equal to b. The output is true because the both the values are same. And the next is I'm trying to print the print of a is b. Now I'm getting the output is false because different object in memory. So objects are created in the differently. So the now I'm trying to give the print of a is a c. Now if the same object memory is created. And the next eighth question is, Explain the concept of integer division in Python. What will be the result of minus 7 floor division 3 and why? Integer division in Python is performed using the floor division operator, which returns the largest integer less than or equal to the result of the division, floor division. For example, minus 7 floor division 3, the result of the floor division is approximately minus 2.333, right? But here, how it will take the largest integer, it will take the or less than or equal to. So the output is minus 3. And the ninth question is demonstrate how Python handles arithmetic with mixed types, for example, integers and floats. Okay, let me tell you the one example on that and explanation also. Python performs types promotion in arithmetic operations with mixed types. The results types will be the more complex type, typically a float if the one operand is float. For example, 5 plus 3.2. The output will come. What is the result of result? 8 8.2 the output is. So we can calculate with the integer and the floating point operations as well. And the eighth question is how can handle precise decimal arithmetic in Python. For precise decimal arithmetic, use the decimal module, which provides supports for fast correctly rounded decimal floating point arithmetic. So there is a one import module or import library, that is the decimal and get context. If you're using the get context function dot preci, so equal to 6, we are setting the precision here, and the a equal to decimal of 1.12345 and b equal to decimal of 2.67890. Now I am trying to give the operation of the addition here, result equal to a plus b. So the output is 3.80235. We can calculate directly this one because the addition, right? So till now I have covered the lot of the arithmetic. I know these are the very simple, but the we can confuse little bit. So based on my video, you can get the you may get the more clarity and when during the interview sessions. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like, share and comment. If you have any questions, and please pass your comments also, and then I can clarify the on that and my further videos also. And thank you.